Yes, a farm in India. Welcome back, children. A case study. It is given in your book about Munna Lal, a farm in India. Okay. So listen here. Take your geography book. See that case study. Indian farm. Munna Lal is a small farmer in Adilabad, a village in Ghazipur district of Uttar Pradesh. He owns a farmland of about 1.5 acres. He purchases high-yielding variety seeds from market every alternate year. Okay. High-yielding variety means HYV seeds. Okay. So, Munna Lal is a small farmer. He have a small level of land only, that is 1.5 acres. Then he normally grows 2 crops in a year, which are rice or wheat and pulses. Okay, for 6 months rice and 6 months pulses. And then next year 6 months wheat and pulses, the alternate crops. So for per year he grows 2 types of crops. Okay, then he takes a tractor on rent for ploughing the field. Then some of his friends still rely on traditional method of using bullocks for ploughing. Okay, Munna Lal taking tractor for rent. Okay, and he plough his land. But his friends, some of his friends still using the old method, that is bullocks ploughing method itself. So now children, you say, who will get more yield? Whether the tractor, Munna Lal or his friends? Munna Lal only. How means he able to complete his work within correct time. Okay. Bullocks and other old methods takes more time. Okay, children? Yes. He also takes a tube well from the nearby field on rent to irrigate his field. He also owns 2 buffaloes and a few hens. He sells milk in the cooperative stores located in the nearby town. Sometimes he takes loans from the bank to purchase HYV seeds and agricultural implements. HYV seeds means high yielding variety seeds. He sells his produce in the mandi. Mandi means big market located in the nearby town. Okay, children? As there is a lack of storage facilities, the farmers are sometimes compelled to sell their produce at lower prices. Of late, the government is taking steps to develop storage facilities in villages. Yes, children, storage facilities is very important for the farmers. Yes, if you are seen in the villages, there is some places they have the government storage places. Okay, there the farmers can store their agricultural products. Okay, when they get high rate for their products, that time they are able to sell. But now what? Due to lack of storage facilities, these people sell their products immediately with the low price. Okay, and for example, if the paddy they grown more than 200 bags, but there is no place for them to store the 200 bags. But the rate is very low in the market. Okay, for one bag of paddy. So the farmers know after 2 months the paddy rate the rate will increase. But now it is rainy season. So there is no place for them to store the 200 bags of paddy. So what they will do? So they sell their paddy bags very low prices. If they have the storing facilities means after 2 months the rate will increase. That time the farmers will sell their paddy bags so they can get more profit. Okay, due to lack of the storage facilities, the farmers sell their products, but the wholesale that dealers bought these things and they kept in the storage, they kept in the storehouse properly. When the price is increased, that time they released the agricultural commodities. Okay children, do you understand what I am saying? Listen, here some glossaries I am given for you. Commercial agriculture. That means commercial agriculture is the large scale production of crops for sale. Then food security. It exists when all people at all time have access to sufficient, safe and nutritious food to meet their dietary needs. That means the government took necessary steps to supply the adequate food for all the citizens in their country. That is food security. Exists when all people at all time have access to sufficient. Then green revolution. Okay, increased agricultural production due to introduction of new agricultural technology and high yielding variety seeds. If we using the old technologies means we could not get more yield. Okay, yield means the end, how much crops we are getting, the output. Okay, so why it is that old methods will not help to get a high yield means the farmers could unable to complete their work within the time. For example, before the monsoon they want to plow their land. Okay, that is must. Okay, so with the tractor or other things means it is easy to plow the acres and acres of land within 1 week, but in the old method it's not possible. So after the monsoon only they are plowing their land, so they are missing the weather and days. Okay, so that new agricultural technology and high yielding variety seeds increase the agricultural production. Okay, then usually I am giving what is horticulture, the science or art of gardening or cultivating fruits, vegetables, flowers or ornamental plants. Okay, this we are going means that's called horticulture. Then pisciculture, breeding of fish in specially constructed tanks and ponds. Then primary activities include all those connected with extraction and production of natural resources. Then sericulture, the commercial rearing of silkworms. It supplements the income of the farmers. Okay, that means the farmers grown the silkworms and there are some process to take the silk fiber from the silkworms. That agriculture is called sericulture. This type is called sericulture. Culture means cultivation. Viticulture, that is commercial cultivation of grapes. Okay children, then yes, what do you mean by agricultural development? Using technological development and high yield variety of seeds and improve the agricultural products. Then how can agricultural production be increased? Yes, using high yielding variety of seeds. Then what is an intensive agriculture? Intensive agriculture means the farmers growing crops for their purpose as well as for selling purpose. Okay, they are not use more machineries and tools, simple tools and small plots. Where in the world is it carried on? In South Asia part. Okay, then what type of farming is carried on in countries like USA, Canada and Australia? It's commercial farming. Name the factors that have enabled Munna to manage his farm successfully. He have a buffalo and also hens. How does Munnalal market his product? Yes, you want to read your book and give the answer for the last question. Yes, children, for this 6th question, you want to give the proper answer take from your textbook and give through me in the Google Classroom. Okay, dears? Yes, thank you so much. Take care. Bye.